Hey guys! Oh wait, there's a smudge in my lens. Yeah, I'm gonna be starting a vlog today. So today is Saturday, June 22nd. It's 4:44 in the afternoon. And what I'm gonna be doing is basically, I'm gonna be cleaning my room. Yeah, so I'm at Cavite right now and I'm gonna be cleaning my room because this thing was nearly a disaster. Look at that, look at that. Look at that, oh my god. Yeah, so that's basically what my room looks like. So, what am I going to do right now is I'm gonna be showing to you guys how am I gonna clean this mess. Well, I was cleaning this a while ago, but I got too lazy because I thought start na nung laban ng F2, the PSL. So, yeah. Nandito yung tita ko kanina. Galing sila ng deads. Oh, somebody texted me. And then sa Tuesday, babalik ako ng school because magbabalik ako ng toga. So, let's start cleaning this messy room. I'm just going to put you guys on the tripod. Okay, so when am I gonna start? I mean, where am I gonna start? Not when, because today is when. So where am I going to start? I don't even know. Sorry, I just keep on looking on the viewfinder. The ant is bothering me. I don't even know how it got in there. Okay, so here's a time lapse of me cleaning my room. So I found this too on my bag. I put some stuff in here. And I'm also gonna be buying another bag this Tuesday. And I'm also gonna be bringing you guys with me. Yeah, I'm going to show you what's in the bag soon. Iwan ko yung libro ko sa bahay ng tita ko, so babalik ako ng Batangas, maybe Thursday. And I also found my other necklace, which I lost my pendant, so I'm going to, sorry, this is an awkward position, but I'm going to find a pendant in Manila when I get back. I still have a bunch of papers in here during my thesis days, so yeah, I'm keeping all this. I might use that one day. Okay, so I was wondering where to put this. So this is my thesis, and this was the one that failed 3 days before my thesis defense nag-fail siya. So I got really nervous. I thought I was not graduating, but your boy just graduated a few days ago. And I have an extra Raspberry Pi in here, and I don't know what to do with this one, so I might do a video related about this thing. I'm really sweaty. I have no fan on this room, so yeah. Now I am wondering where to put this one because this one's heavy. I have a bunch of mirror in here, so I don't know. I might just gonna be using this when I'm filming something, so that I can see myself, because I can flip the camera, or I can flip the finder of my camera. So I might be putting this somewhere here. I don't know. This is LED mounted on it, so oh god. Yeah, I just ruined it. Oh, my other AirPods. So that one, I lost the other pair, so I got another one. If you guys haven't watched my unboxing yet, I will link it on the description box below, or I'm gonna be putting it on the eye right here. Or here. I don't even know. Grabe, napagod ako din ah. So this is what my room looks like now. I mean my bed. There. Okay, so my pillows are over there. Yes, I can't sleep without all those pillows. Am I the only one that cannot sleep with like 2 pillows? Come on. And then I'm still watching PSL, Photon versus F2. Let's go F2. Animal Assault. I have my AirPods over there. I have my extensions. I decided to put this one in here together with some of my filming equipment. I have my slate board in there that you cannot see. I have my camera bag, my VGA and HDMI, my tripod, my badminton racket is in there, 2 of my bags are in here, and some of my gaming equipment are in there, my mouse, my headphones, and my keyboard. And I have my trash can right over there. I hang my cap in here kasi bihira ko naman malagay yung phone ko dito, so yeah. And I have this light box, it says Purple Snow. And I have my glasses in here, my shades, my Raspberry Pi. Right over here, all my essentials. My book, the Bible, tissue, some... I don't know what this is for. And I have my photo over there. Sorry for that paint. It was scratched. Anyway, the reason why I have tapes in here, it's because when the fan is on, ayoko nang nabubuksan. Ayoko nang nabubuksan yung curtain, so... Ayan, kaya siya nakaganyan. That is it for today's vlog, and I'm just really tired. Yeah. You can judge me. Napagod ako nang ganun lang ginawa ko. So yeah, that's it for today's vlog, and I hope you guys like it. And if you don't, then I don't care. Ba't pa kayo nanood ko? Ayun naman pala. Anyway, alright, so I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Sending you guys a blizzard of kisses, and always remember that you are the most amazing snowflake ever. Bye guys!